Welcome to Lifeline HMS. In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to sign up for our 2-month free trial so you can explore all our features right away. Step 1. Open your browser and go to lifelinehms.com. On the homepage, click on the Start Free Trial button at the top right corner. Now simply fill out your basic details. Enter your full name, email address, hospital or clinic name, and phone number. Make sure the information is accurate, as it will help us set up your free trial smoothly. After entering your information, click on the Sign Up with Email button to continue. You also have the option to sign up instantly using your Google account. Once you've entered all the details, you'll receive a verification email. Simply open it and confirm your account to proceed. Click on Confirm My Email. After verifying your email, simply create a password and you'll be ready to log in and start exploring Lifeline HMS. Multi-layer security protects against healthcare data breaches and compliance violations. After setting the password, click on Set Password. You will be automatically logged in and navigated to the dashboard. The dashboard shows that your 60-day trial has started. It will display the remaining days, decreasing by 1 each day until the trial expires. That's it. You're now ready to explore all the powerful features of Lifeline HMS for the next 2 months, absolutely free. Thank you for choosing Lifeline HMS.